Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Okay, this piece of poetry has been written by me and Sister Fajar, and it's on the importance of Fajar and the importance of Fajar training. If you're waking up your Fajar, you're having a hard time, just sit back, relax, and listen to this rhyme. Because Fajar is a prayer that you just can't ignore. Missing it is something Allah and His Prophet deplore. If you get careless about your prayers, then no. It's as if you disbelieved unto you is the woe. But it's not just the penalties that you need to worry about. The rewards of Fajr are numerous, so just blow away the cloud. If you wake up on time, make wudu, pray, and then recite, guaranteed the affairs of your day will be set all right. The angels will note your prayer and report to the Lord. He'll be pleased because He knows with your sleep you fought. And the 2 rakats before Fajr, they're dearer than the whole world. No, not just to me, these are the Prophet's words. So we better get serious about regularly praying, because if we don't do that, we're being insane. People often say, no pain, no gain. I guess they haven't heard of the Fajr train, where you wake up your brother for Fajr and get Ajr, spreading love and mercy among one another. So what are you waiting for? Just get on board. The Fajr train is off with blessings galore. Jazakumullah khair.